The latest women's Nike Dunk Low is turning heads with its soft, textured colorway and layered materials. Featuring a light bone base with powdery silt red accents, this dunk creates a warm, understated vibe that's perfect for everyday style. Its suede and leather panels create a subtle 3D effect, while the fluffy brushed swoosh adds contrast and visual depth. A pale pink detail around the perforated toe box gives a delicate tone shift, and the vibrant silt red tongue logo adds a pop of color. The heel showcases playful heart accents and 3D Nike embroidery, adding craftsmanship and subtle shadows that enhance the design. The deep burgundy outsole grounds the light upper, offering both comfort and style. Maintaining the classic dunk silhouette, this model fuses basketball heritage with modern streetwear aesthetics. Perfect for Valentine's Day or any casual look, this dunk low balances elegance, fun, and everyday wearability, making it a must-have for sneaker lovers.